1973 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Last stop. A very large car. Uses by now the plastic grills and not the metal. Still looks okay. A little bit of pitting here, but not much bubbling, more like massive car. Cadillac 472 under the hood. Torquey engine. This car, as usual, lots of rust because of the vinyl top. Somebody destroyed the door panel. The upper is still good. Interesting feature here. The windshield wiper controls are mounted on the door panel here. Off, miss, low, medium, high, wash. For a car of its size, again, the back seat does not have much room. The headliner is in still good condition. So is the dash pad. That's not glass, it's just plastic laminate stuff. That has somehow ended up there. The steering wheel. Climate controls. Auto version. 120 miles per hour speedometer. Shows 17,478 as the mileage. That's probably 174,780 fuel gauge. Very sparse as far as gauges are concerned. I said fuel gauge and speedometer and nothing else. AM/FM stereo. Here's the roof. Lots of rust here. Good sized trunk. The full size spare tire occupies a lot of space. That's an old tire, a Goodyear bias ply tire, for that matter. The wheel opening skirts are good. Coupe Deville emblem taken. Lots of rust at the fender. Nothing unusual. Look at this. Wow. And here, this car is too far gone. Driver's passenger side door panel is in somewhat decent shape. There's a little bit of a crack there, but that can be fixed easily. Has a clock. Was a non-smoking car. Lots of rust there at the package tray area. Again, the dash is in good condition with no cracks. Kind of unusual for this. Oh, never mind. It does have a crack in the middle. Here's the original owner's manual. Cadillac owner's manual. The underside is this green color. It was called Brewster green. That's a Pontiac designation. The jacking instructions decal still around. '73 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Last stop.